I just realized I have like so much stuff to do in the next week or so. Chai latte. Chai latte. Chai latte. Chai latte. Good morning, friends. How's it going? I hope you're having a lovely day. Today is Sunday, January 17th, and it is time to get ready for my new semester. I start school back up on the 25th, which is a week from tomorrow. Not only am I starting a new semester, but a new major, so there's lots of prep work involved with that. I just want to get started early so that I'm fully prepared by the time classes start. I don't know if there's any way that I could actually be fully prepared, so I thought I'd take you along for the ride. It's gonna be fun, full of productivity stuff, organizational stuff. Before all that, I need to go make myself a chai latte. Alright, I've got my chai latte already in my love mug. I just realized I have like so much stuff to do in the next week or so, so I'm gonna start off by writing it all down. I think I'm gonna do that in Notion. Thank you to Notion for sponsoring today's video. Just kidding. I wish. I just started using Notion the other day, and it's really cool, so I'll probably talk about that a little bit later. For now, I'm going to make a little to-do list of things that I need to do before next Monday. Okay, I just finished a preliminary list. I'm sure I'm forgetting several things, but I'm just gonna show you my Notion setup for now. Here I have my to-do list of things that I need to do before the 25th. Yeah, just a few little things. So first on the list, I have to order all my books because there are many of them. So I made a table with all the books I need, where I found them, the prices, and what class they're for. So, and then at the bottom we have 17 unchecked for books that have arrived, 13 that I still have to buy, and then the sum of the price, how much they will all cost together. So yeah, I have to place, I think, 3 separate orders today for 3 different places to find the cheapest versions of all of the books. I have a little thingy over here on the left for each class. I've got assignments and required readings under them. I only have the assignments for one class so far, and I just made a big table for all of them. And then I'm still trying to figure out how to make a master list for every single assignment for all my classes. Have not figured out how to do that quite yet. And then here I've got my to-do list again. Haven't done any of these yet, but yeah. That is what we are doing today and for this week. In case you were unaware, Sunday is my upload day, so I'm working on my outfits video, which is posted, so you should check it out if you haven't seen it. But I have to do the voiceover now. Voiceovers are not my strong suit. That's the magic of editing. If I mess up, I can just cut something out. Alright, update. It's been a few hours now, and I put together my to-do list. I think it's pretty complete. I might end up adding stuff later, but pretty happy with it right now. And I finished ordering all my textbooks, so those should be coming in soon. See you in the morning. Just got back from my trip to the library. Twilight by Stephanie Meyer. If you watch my Midnight Sun vlog, you will know that I'm reading Twilight for my book club at school. That's why I have that one. And then also, we have The Furies by Katie Lau, not sure. Yeah, that one's for another book club, so fun stuff. Hoping to read those this week, both of them actually. I will do a book haul when all my books arrive for school. It's been an exciting day so far. I hit 10,000 words in my book, which is, I think, the longest thing I've ever written. I also have to write a cover letter today. Not much on the to-do list today, but each thing is probably going to take a long time. But first, I need some food. I haven't eaten anything today, and it is noon. Time to get some food. If you haven't eaten today, go get a snack or something. Okay, I thought I'd do one last to-do list update before I go to bed. Today, I wrote a cover letter. I sent in an application for an internship. Fingers crossed I get that one. And then I went to the library, which I've been wanting to do for literally a week now. Oh my gosh. I figured out how to do something in Notion today that I've been wanting to do for so long. And basically what I did was make a assignment list. I think I talked about this yesterday. I made an assignment list of all of the assignments I have so far. And I figured out how to split it up by class so that I'm only seeing, so under the individual class pages, I'm only seeing the assignments for that class. So that is very exciting. And then I also figured out how to make a list of all my assignments that are due in the next week. So that's pretty cool. I'm really pumped about that. Yay! Check in with you tomorrow. Good morning. It is bookshelf day. Update on that. I think I've decided that I'm going to put my books, my school books, in the bookshelf in my closet instead of this one because it's right next to my desk. Alright, I cleared a little bit of space on this bookshelf here. These are my school books that I have so far. Only have 4 of them. This probably will not be enough space, but it's what I have for now. I'll keep taking more of this stuff out here. Good morning, friends. Today's an exciting day. I'm watching the inauguration right now. I've been spending my morning reading. I finished The Furies. Solid 3-star read. Not my favorite. And then I've been writing. That's about it, actually. That's been reading, writing, and watching the inauguration. So, exciting stuff. I read 1 page of Twilight. Only like 500 more to go. Today is going to be a good day. Lots of writing, I'm hoping. Might watch some Dawson's Creek. My friend Nikita recommended it to me, and I'm enjoying it. Is it good? Not really, but I enjoy watching it. That's what matters. So, I don't think I talked about this before, but basically my bullet journal that I'm using right now looks like this. And I'm almost finished with it. I have only a few more pages left, so I will run out of this bullet journal by the end of February. So I'm starting to transfer stuff over to my new one. I have like over a month to do it, which is nice. It's good to start early. So this is going to be my new one. It's Spiral. I've got the decomposition book. They're really cool. DocGrid is absolutely the best for bullet journaling. So all I've done so far is transfer over my reading list. Yeah, I'm gonna go get maybe a chai latte. I don't know, I had one yesterday, but that kind of sounds good. Just snuggling up with a chai latte, watching the inauguration, all that good stuff. Kamala Harris is about to go out, so I'm excited. I don't really talk about politics much on my channel, but I am beyond excited to have someone new in office. Let's just say that. As you can see, the top of my desk is all cleared off now. So now all I have to do is the drawer inside, which is going to be so much worse. This was super easy. Oh, I have so much crap in here, but let's get to it, I guess. Good morning. Actually, it's not morning. It's It's been a crazy day so far. I've been driving around all over the place, picking up stuff, picking up my dad and dropping him off and all that good stuff. So it's been a busy day so far. But I wanted to share with you a little thing that I've been doing in Notion, which is taking notes on the books I'm reading for book club, mostly. What I started doing is I made little pages inside each book, and then I'm putting in notes that I think about certain books. So this is for Twilight, because I'm reading that for book club right now. And basically, my notes so far are just things comparing it to Midnight Sun, because it's just really fascinating. Like I say here, I think a lot of the dialogue is the same, but that makes sense to me because it would be weird if like the same conversations were really different between the two perspectives. I don't remember exactly what the wording was, but I do think I noticed a few slight differences. I would have to have both of them side by side to compare that, but I don't have Midnight Sun anymore. I can't imagine how difficult it would have been to go through and pick apart the entire novel she had written and make sure everything was the same. Anyway, that's all I've been up to today. That's not true. I went to this shop that I had to go to pick something up for school. So I have now officially ordered everything that I need. My desk drawer is broken, which is why I didn't show you the final desk drawer setup, because I have to fix it first, so there's nothing in it right now. Everything is on the floor right now, so that's really cool and also really annoying. This is everything from my drawer all laid out. So this is the thing that's going to go back into the drawer. That's stuff I'm getting rid of. I have to figure out what to do with all of that. The stapler and the pins are going back in, and I think this box is going back in as well. This is just a Warby Parker box that has Expo markers in it for my whiteboard over there. That's the goal for today, is to have a cleaner room. I'm probably gonna have to vacuum at some point. I don't want to do that, but oh well. I think I'll just do my book haul right now. Right, I had to pull up my handy dandy list on my computer. Alright, first we have The Marrow of Tradition by Charles Chestnut, The Ways of White Folks by Langston Hughes, It Can't Happen Here by Sinclair Lewis, We Now Disrupt This Broadcast, there's also a subtitle, by Amanda D. Lotz, A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare, The Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare, Henry V by William Shakespeare, Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare, Hamlet by William Shakespeare, Othello by William Shakespeare, The Tempest by William Shakespeare. That's all my Shakespeare books. Bloodchild and Other Stories by Octavia Butler, Sundiata, An Epic of Old Mali by D.T. Neon. I'm not sure if that's pronounced correctly. Lilith's Brood by Octavia Butler, The Art of Love by Ovid, Marriage, A History by Stephanie Kuntz, Monsieur or Madame Butterfly by David Henry Hwang, and finally, The Goat, or Who is Sylvia by Edward Albee. I'm gonna have a lot of reading to do this semester, but I'm excited about it. I'm very excited to get into some literature classes. I think it'll be a good time. Good morning. Today is the last day of this vlog, and we've got lots of work to do. I remade my bed. I did end up changing the sheets. They're this nice pale purple color now. I just like to do little things when I think of it to spice up my room and declutter a little bit, you know. I just want to start off with like a nice fresh space for school on Monday. Alright, we're back. I've got dressed. I've got my nice chai latte, and I'm starting on my desk setup. So I talked about this in a video I made or getting organized for last semester, but I keep all of my notebooks for school in my backpack in my closet. So I have 5 notebooks, 1 for each class, and then I also keep my bullet journal in here. This will be my new bullet journal. I like to keep my writing utensils, my water, sometimes a nice hot drink, my computer, and a plant on my desk. And then the supplies for whatever I'm working on at the time. But other than that, I like to keep my desk pretty clear because I have a very long history with having gross, messy desks, and I'm trying to change that. The bucket wasn't really the vibe I was going for, so I put all my... Ugh, this is gonna be inconvenient, I think. I need 2 hands for this, but I put all my pens and pencils in here, so I can just have that in the corner. It's cute and nice and organized. My pencil case also doubles as a little tripod, so that's perfect. I was going through a stack of stuff by my door of just old things that I used to keep on my wall in my dorm and stuff, and I thought it would be fun to do a little collage. I guess the vibe I'm going for in this room for the semester is like, I was gonna say dark academia, but I think what's more realistic is light academia because most of the things in my room are light. I'm gonna throw these up on the wall, see if I can find a configuration that I like, and then I'm gonna look for a few more little trinkets and stuff that I can put around the room to make it, give it more of the vibe I'm looking for. Okay, I found a bunch of candles in the basement, so I got one of these. Are these called taper candles or is that something else? Let me look it up. Yes, taper candles. So I found one of these. I want one of the holders with the little finger thingy, but we don't have any of those, so this will have to do for now. But I think it looks nice. Now for other stuff, I still have a bunch of piles of random papers and artwork on my floor that I need to take care of. Okay, pretend my drawer is not absolutely broken, but this is how my desk drawer will look when I'm done. I've got a ton of sticky notes, index cards, random stuff, sticky hands, binder clips, mechanical pencil stuff, and some washi tape, pins for my cork board, and that's about it. This is how it's all gonna look when I fix my drawer with the gap in it. That's so disappointing. See, it looks so nice when it's like this. Look what I found! I put all my artwork in here, so that's one less pile off my floor, which is nice. And in case you were wondering, yes, I was that person in high school who carried this around with me every day, because I took art classes practically every day of high school. Alright, I condensed this top shelf a little bit, which gave me more room to put stuff over on the side, which means I now have more room on this shelf for my incoming books. Funny story about that. I got an email today, 3 days before the semester starts, from one of my professors that he's changing the entire reading list, which means I just bought 3 books for no reason. My room is looking better, and I'm happy about it. Alright, I think I've done everything that I'm going to do this week for setting up my room and all my school supplies and stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I would love to see your beautiful face here again next Sunday. Thank you for taking the time to hang out with me, and I will see you next week. Bye!